First, I would like to excuse myself for the fact that my Dirk Davy YouTube account has closed down. I by accident hit a delete button and I can't seem to recover it. Most of my movies are gone and I had to upload a few I still had. So I have to remake my movies, and now I would like to start with my Hermes Baby from 1960. Actually, I believe, yeah, it's 1960. I got it from an antique shop for $30. It was a Christmas present I chose myself. And here it is. This is my Hermes Baby portable typewriter. Here it says Hermes Baby. Like I said, I got it for $30. One of the troubles was I'm just start with the troubles here, so I can go to the good thing. Is that the lever that's folding out, that was actually bent down because somebody forgot to close it, like fold it in. So it was bent down until this top was the same height as this, which is pretty far down. So I had to fix that. And the other thing was one of the margins was broken. It still is, but I partly fixed it. But before I show you that, I will show you the typewriter. It has nice green keys like my Hermes 3000, which you will see in a different video. It's very clean. When I cleaned it up. When I got it, it was like stains all over. The icon Hermes Baby was all black because of dirt, and there were all stains. But there was some cleaning lubricant that like cleaned everything really nice up, and also I oiled the keys. This you can see is a bit of the old ink that has collected in there that's coming out right now, but it doesn't affect the typing at all. It has this is the margin release, which is a very simple movement in the typewriter. I will show you that in a second. It doesn't have a tabulator. This is the backspace. It has one carriage lock. The buttons move separately, as you can see, because the carriage moves, but the button doesn't. This one does. Like you saw just now, that it has a foldable lever. Here you can fold it in, put it in 0, and it sticks against the line spacing set, which I found confusing at first. It was that you see this. That is the paper support, and I didn't know how it worked, because if I pushed it down, nothing worked, and I thought when I did this, I just broke the thing, like it came off its hook. As you can see, I thought I broke it, but then I saw the paper support came up. Yeah, sorry, this is my dirty radio, I have to clean it up. But anyway, don't let this distract you, I still have to clean it up. Anyway, here it is, covers you can open like that. I put a new ribbon in it. It's pretty special I still have these covers, because I saw on a few typewriters on eBay that they were missing, like they were come off, because it's a very simple mechanism that opens and closes the covers. So it's pretty good that I still have them. Here you can see the inside. This is the ribbon. Brand new. Good clean keys. The typewriter has been used a lot, so they're a bit blue now, but they're very clean. So, yeah, there's some writing on the back, I believe, but most has been scratched away because of the marks that have been made on it. It says, yeah, this is from the cover. Hermes, made in Switzerland. Let's say by Powdered SA. Yeah. Alright, here's what I was going to show you. This is the broken margin knob. As you can see from that one, this one has that piece of metal, which is for the stop of the carriage, because when I move the carriage, as you can see, it hits that piece of metal. This is actually the cover of a metal pen, which I took off and put together with, as you can see, fishing thread. And so I done that. came out pretty well. I think it's partly fixed. I'm gonna fix it properly later on, but now I can use the machine anyways. As you can see, this is the part that stops the carriage from moving too far. It is still loose. You see, I'm not pushing it, I'm just pushing it. As of this one, you have to push down and you can move it. What actually happened is that this part here, that part there is supposed to slide under the teeth here, these teeth. But as you can see, when I push it down, I turn on the light. It has been broken off by accident. You see? I didn't know it was like that until I got it for Christmas. So, but it doesn't affect it now because I fixed it. I can't set this margin though, which is too bad. But well, I don't need it anyway. You need that one, but not that one. As you can see, this stops the carriage, which is also the margin release that pulls out, and this thing stays there, and you can sorry for this. Here it slides. You see, that's the end of the. Now you're all the way to the end, which is always also that. Now here's the bell, which gets hit. Yeah, overall really good working typewriter. It came with its original cover, which you just saw. Pretty good shape. The inside there has some child drawings on it, and if I can grab it, you can see it. And you see there's some somebody drawn on that, and keys have been pressed while the cover is on there, or that happened while closing. As you can see, the scraping is from the letters. Didn't damage the letters at all. So yeah, so I fixed the lever and I fixed the margin, and now it's a really good, great working typewriter. I'm really happy I purchased it. Yeah. Well, I think I have no paper here right now, so I'm afraid I can't do a typing test, but I will in a different movie probably. So yeah, well, this is it. Thank you for watching my video of my Hermes Baby. Bye.